Let's take a look at what's new with drawings in SOLIDWORKS 2018. The advanced hole feature was introduced in SOLIDWORKS 2017 and was a great way to create multi-stepped holes. One of the limitations, however, with this tool is that we could not create a callout for it automatically like we do with other hole wizard holes. Within the 2018 release, that limitation has been removed. We just create a hole callout as we would normally, and the full callout is automatically generated for us. Not only that, we can reverse the callout order and we can switch the near and far side messages, giving us greater flexibility of how we display that callout. We now have layer support for hatching, so I can take the section view, select the hatching and apply the hatching to a particular layer. The layer can control its colour, its line style and whether it's printed or not. Moving further up the drawing view, we have some dimensions which have tolerances. We can control the precision of the decimal places of the tolerances from the property manager on the left hand side. We have some new options globally to control the display of the trailing zeros for tolerances, dimensions and custom properties. We'll go into our document properties, to dimensions, and the options for trailing zeros are shown down the bottom. So we'll set our trailing zeros for dimensions to show, and then we can start to control the tolerances. So we can remove trailing zeros only on 0, remove them completely, we can show them, or we can make them the same as the dimension. I'll remove them completely here. Similar with the custom properties, so things like weight, for example, we can choose to show the trailing zeros or remove them if we feel necessary. Press OK, and our tolerances have updated to suit. Switching to sheet 2, we have a section view and an alternate position view. If we go to the section view, I've sketched a rectangle on here. One of the limitations with section views is that it was not possible to create broken out sections on those views. That limitation has now been removed. Here I'm just going to randomize the scale to add additional clarity, and we'll just create a broken out section on our section view at 10mm deep. Similarly with alternate position views, I'll take this circle and create a broken out section. Like so. Moving on to sheet 1, we have our bill of materials. And if we look at the text within the bill of materials, we have a mixture of uppercase and lowercase text. If we go back to SOLIDWORKS 2017, there was an update in there that allowed us to take a note and change all the text in that note to uppercase. That functionality has now been extended to tables. We can simply select our table and within the menu we can change to all uppercase. Similar to the note functionality, we can also add exclusions for the uppercase. So if we want to keep our unit systems, for example, in lowercase, we can do, or any text that we feel necessary. So moving back to the PowerPoint, we've seen an advanced hole callout, layer support for cross-hatching, we have new trailing zero options for dimensions, tolerances and properties. We have broken out section view support on section views and alternate position views, and we have an all uppercase switch in tables. Our next video is on e-drawings.